Oh man, is there a pattern on that? Oh, sweet. Hey guys, we've got an 11 signal here, and it's a, oh, what's that? It's gonna be a tomback with no design. Let's see what the shank is looking like. I don't think the shank is there. Showing the next beautiful tomback button. Cheers. Huh. It is another tomback. Beautiful. I like that. Sweet. Alright guys, get showing the next. Oh, we got a 15 here somewhere. I'm thinking it's going to be trash. Aluminium. Cheers. Oh, this rang up on 11. 10, 11. Hey, look at that. Part of a tomback. Part of a tomback button. Whew. That tells me we're getting down to the smalls here. We've cleaned this place up pretty good. Alright guys, never hunted out. Cheers. Well, guys, I'm back at my famous site. And just wanted to kind of give you an idea of the sound a little bit here. I don't know how well this will work. Hey, we got something there, right? So that's what this ground is like. Absolutely brutal. Let's see what we got out of the hole down here. Sounds like we got something out of the hole. Could be just a shotgun shell. Oh no, it's gonna be a tiny little button with the shank missing. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's another one. We'll take it. Cheers. There it is, guys. That thing sounded horrible. Let me tell you what. I mean, it sounded horrible. It's gonna be another broken shank tomback. We'll get it at home with a little bit of water. Alright, catch you on the next, guys. Cheers. I'm guessing shotgun shell on this one. See if my pinpointer will work. Having trouble with it. It just does not like these batteries. Oh man, look at that button. Sweet, guys. Oh, shank, please be there. Oh, I'm not sure. I think it's broken. Oh, it's broken. But man, that is a beautiful button. No design at all, but instead of being a tomback, it actually looks like, kind of looks like a drilled shank, but I don't know. I'm not positive, so I don't know, guys. You tell me. Alright guys, cheers. Beautiful. So guys, I'm wanting to show you this, the shank on this button. It looks like it was either screwed in to a hole that was made, but more likely, in my opinion, it was probably pressed in. And I've never seen this type of shank before. I think it's what they call applied, but I'm not positive on that. But it is just one of them things I nerd out about. I kind of geek out about it a little bit. So just wanted to show you an up close of that. Unfortunately, it's the shank is busted, but you can see the design of the shank here. Actually has a bevel going down each side of the inside of the shank. How cool is that? And there's an outer circle around where they press this inner circle in. And when you look at the side, it almost looks like there's threads there, but the first one I've ever seen like it, and I'll try to get you some better pictures of that coming up. Well, guys, I think we have a buckle here. Yeah. Ooh. I don't know, guys. This looks like it might be a special buckle. Well, that's a cool find. I'm not sure. I think it's a shoe buckle because of the way. See, it's coming up. It's coming up here. Let's see if it'll focus. See how it's coming up there in the middle, both ends. I don't know. Give me hopes. I'll take it. About as much as a shoe buckle as I'll find out here in the middle of the field. So I'll catch you on the next. Cheers. No, this was a 16, but I'm thinking melted aluminum. Just kind of has that sound to it. Oh man, Mudfest today again. I think I see something right here. Oh, look at that. Maybe that's part of an old pocket knife. I was thinking spoon handle, but then there's like like something going on right here. Makes me think possibly part of an old pocket knife. Well, we'll clean that up better when we get home. A small pocket knife. But all right, catch you on the next. Cheers.